guys, it's Desiree with WTI. Now, are you looking for a storage bin maybe to hide those toys or even to put in the garage, maybe on a shelving unit with backstock, and that way it looks really pretty? Look no further than these storage bins. Now, these storage bins are a great size. They are 13 by 13 by 13, so I'm able to fit a lot inside. I am using these particular storage bins outside on a shelving unit for backstock. I wanted something that looked pretty, and this design is amazing, and I am able to fit a lot in here. In this particular one, I'm able to fit in here tissue, I have my extra soaps, and so much more. So something that can definitely be used in so many different areas of your home, inside, outside, and just make the look seamless. I also love that they come in a pack of 4, so that was great. I had so much storage to be able to put things in here, and it didn't come with just one. So this is definitely something great to add if you're someone that loves to organize like I do, totally OCD with organizational. But not only that, something that looks really, really pretty is these storage bins. So if you're out in the market for such things, I would definitely check this out. But that's just my point of view.